Well, hey y'all, and welcome back. Today we're doing some breakfast. Something I've never tried. I say I've never tried. I've done French toast many ways, but I've never used this banana nut loaf to make French toast. Me and my wife was in Walmart the other day. We kind of ran across that, and I'm like, I want to make something with that banana nut loaf. I don't know why. It just clicked in my brain. I'm like, that's something I want to try. I just don't know what. And she's like, make a French toast. I'm like, you got to quit being so smart. That's what I was thinking. I didn't tell her that because, her head would get all blowed up and she'd think she's something. So, sometimes you just kind of keep it to yourself. But either way, it was a great idea. So I haven't tried it. We're going to find out. And looking at the ingredients, it's not going to take a whole lot of stuff to put a really delicious breakfast together. Now, I did go and get some maple flavored, maple seasoned sausage links. I think it's going to pair well with that banana nut loaf covered in some pure maple syrup. Now, it won't take long to get this together, so you're going to go ahead and fire up that Blackstone and get it heating up because your family's waiting on a delicious breakfast and you got to get it made for them. So let's start prepping this stuff while that griddle's heating up. Now, another good thing about doing a breakfast like this is don't take a lot of prep. Don't take a lot to make French toast. And French toast is one of those things that is just so very versatile. You can do it so many ways. But right now, we need to open this banana nut loaf and cut it up into slices. But speaking of cutting it up in slices, I need a knife. Look here, I just happen to have one. So, let's get this thing out of its wrapper here. Very moist. And honestly, I've never tried a banana nut loaf, especially like this from Walmart. Worth a try. So I think, I don't know about you, but I like pretty thick pieces of French toast. And that's the good thing, and let's go this way here. That's the good thing about doing it yourself. Look, I'm just falling apart. This might not work out too well. We're gonna try it though. Let's see, cut a little. Yeah, this ain't working. This ain't working. We might get a few pieces out of it. We're gonna try. We'll get a few pieces out of it. We got some, just for snacking. Whatever. Let's move this over here for right now. Let's get to cracking these eggs. Wasn't sure exactly how many eggs I'm gonna need, so I just grabbed about 5 of them. Make a good egg wash. I really think 3 will probably be enough, so let's just use 3. Add a little vanilla in there with it. A little bit of cinnamon. Uh-oh, my cinnamon's blowing away here. A little windy outside, a little cinnamon. That's the joys of cooking outside. The wind blows a little bit, and so does your cinnamon. Anyhow, let's add a little milk in here. Grab our whisk over here, and let's get to whisking this up. All right, that looks pretty good. Now, speaking of this whisking this up, I've had other French toast videos. Let me know in the comments below what your mix is, what your recipe for your French toast mix is. I would love to know. I've seen people put sugar, just all kinds of things in there. I would love some ideas. But right now, let's go check on that griddle. Well, there's that white smoke. Let's get down some oil first for these sausages. Get some down right over there. We can get these sausages on here. Because the French toast don't take long at all to cook, so I figured get these sausages a good head start. All right, once them sausages cook up a little bit, we're gonna be making us some French toast. Now these breakfast links, just cook them up on all sides. Just roll them around every now and then. All right, y'all, that sausage ain't taking long at all. Let's go ahead and work on this French toast. Let's throw down a bit of butter first. We gotta have some butter for our French toast here. Get our egg wash here. We'll just coat each piece here in the egg wash. And get it in there. We had a few of them pieces fall apart, remember? Not a big deal. Some of these are trying to fall apart. We're gonna cook them together though. We ain't gonna let that happen. Not gonna let that happen. I think we're in it with 5 good pieces. That's what we're going to end up with here, which is plenty. That will be plenty. And there we go. Clean my hands now, but anyhow, the French toast is going. So now we just need to keep that sausage rolled around and flip this French toast when it's needed. Oh, love that color on that sausage. You know that's gonna be so good. And y'all, this banana nut French toast we're making right here is just smelling so good. I can smell that banana. I can smell that cinnamon and that vanilla that's in that mix. And these sausages over here are about ready. I say we go ahead and flip these and see how they're looking. Yeah, these hadn't been cooking that long, but let's go ahead and give them a flip. Oh, I'm loving that. That's looking good. Looking real good. It's got some egg attached to that one. Oh yeah. This is looking right, y'all. We're gonna be eating good here in just a minute. Y'all look how perfect these things have browned up on here. Man, I am loving that. And these sausages over here are just about done. I say we check this other side, see how well it's done, and take them up. Perfect. Yeah, buddy. Exactly what I'm looking for right there. I say breakfast is done. Let's get a plate and take it up. I got a plate. Now, how you want to stack this, I think what we'll do is just get them off the griddle right now. And we'll make them pretty here in just a minute. And there we go. Let's go over here and pretty them up a little bit. Now that was quick, wasn't it? So what I want to do now, like I said, when I say pretty them up a little bit, we got to make them look presentable. Got to make them look good. So what we'll do is just kind of put these in a line, kind of like that right there. Get this egg off here. Nothing goes to waste. Get these sausages over here, looking all pretty. Not really sure how I want to do the sausages. I think that'll be okay, like that. Now that's looking good, but we're not done yet. Need maple syrup. As far as the maple syrup goes, just drizzle that all over this. A little bit on that sausage. And there you go. Now, there's one more thing I just thought about that would actually really set this off. A little bit of powdered sugar. Just dust a little bit of powdered sugar on top and you'll have an amazing, amazing looking breakfast. But right now, I need to take some photos, some glamour shots, if you will, show you this up close, and well, I just have to try it. Y'all look at how pretty and golden brown this banana nut loaf turned out. Oh yeah, and that maple sausage over here floating in that syrup. I don't know about you, but I love, love, love syrup on my sausage. This is a good looking breakfast, y'all. I'm really liking this. So what you think about that? I really do think a little bit of powdered sugar on top would set it off, but it's already gonna be pretty sweet as it is, so that's gonna be a personal choice there. But let me know what else you do, especially with that mix. The people love using different types of mix for the French toast. Whatever you do, I gotta try this out. I'm really, really curious how this is gonna turn out. It's just falling apart. It is so tender. I guess tender French toast, that makes sense. Either way, I'm gonna try it. So, that is good from the get-go. Man, I try another piece of that. Wow. About to put my fork up. Gotta try some sausage. Perfect combo. Perfect. This is a great twist on classic French bread or French toast. Try this out. I did find that I get it right in a minute, the banana nut loaf at my local Walmart. It's over there in your little pound cakes, and all your little cakes are right around the deli bakery area. And as soon as I seen it, I knew I wanted to try something with it. My wife honestly had a great idea with this right here. This is money. This is on the spot. This is it. But let me know what you do different. I got to go feed the family. Enjoy these 2 videos, and I'm going to feed the family, so we'll see you next time.